What up guys, how you guys doing? I'm Talis and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out some awesome, cute flexes. So let's go. So this is the Clacker Toucan. As you can see, this is a really nice model, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. So as you can see, we're here in Prusa Slicer with the Ender 3v3 SC profile, and this looks like a really nice model. Right here, this is articulated and it's got the beak right here in the inside. This is a really nice model. Let's go to the print settings. Over here in print settings in layer height, we're going to be printing this model at 0.2 millimeters. This way, we're going to get a good quality print and a fast one. We could be going feel free to reduce this to 0.18 millimeters so we can get a better quality print. This is a smaller model, and by reducing the layer height, we're gonna get a better quality print and not visible layer lines right here. So we can be reducing to 0.18 millimeters. Feel free to choose the best value that you find best. Going over to vertical shells, we're gonna be printing at 3 vertical shells, just so we can get a really rigid model. Going over to infill, we're going to be increasing to 10% just so we can get a dense model, and if a kid throws it in the wall, it's not going to break. Right here in fill pattern, we're going to be printing at gyroid infill pattern. Gyroids are really nice in fill pattern because it prints in waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line. This reduces the chance of your print failing while printing the infill. This is great. Going over to brim, we're not going to be adding any brim because this is a articulated model, and if you add brim sometimes to the articulations, it can ruin the effect and sometimes it's quite hard to remove. So if you have some bad adhesion issues, I do recommend always cleaning your build plate with some isopropyl alcohol or detergent just to guarantee that you got a good and clean surface build plate to print on, because oils from your finger and dust will impact a lot the bad adhesion. So make sure you got a clean build plate to print on. Going over to support material right here, we're not going to be printing this model with support material because this model is optimized for printing, so it does not need any support material. Going over to speed, we're going to be printing at the standard print speed. We do not need to reduce this value at all, especially for Bamboo Lab printers, so you do not have to worry. Right here in speed, first layer speed, make sure you got a good value, a really slow paced, not really fast, because the first layer is the most important layer. All of the other layers are going to go on top of this one, so make sure you got a good first layer, a good print. So we are ready to slice, and this looks like a really nice, and it's going to turn into a really nice model. So let's slice. So as you can see, we have sliced and it looks quite nice. It's going to take 4 hours and 31 minutes to print. Right here we have a solid first layer right here, and it's going to print. There is some overhangs for some parts and bridges for the articulated parts. So make sure you grab a really nice filament and print this model. If you're going to print this in multicolor, put more models in the same build plate. So let's say 2 of these models, just to help with the wasted filament, because if you print just 1 or 20, is going to waste the exact same amount of filament with purge and tower. So the prime tower. So print more models in the same build plate. So the models are ready to print. Make sure to check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STLFlix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.